In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Pay Later on Alibaba in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. So let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible for you. First, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to alibaba.com. This is your starting point and your gateway to unlocking the convenience of the Pay Later feature. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage, you'll notice that at the top right corner, there's your profile icon waiting for you to click on. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select My Alibaba. This area is essentially the control hub for your Alibaba transactions and account settings, so getting familiar with it can be quite beneficial. After accessing My Alibaba, find your way to the payments section. This is where all the financial magic happens. Once there, look for the option titled Pay Later for Business. By selecting this, you're steering toward the specific area dedicated to this financial service, which allows businesses to defer their payments under certain conditions. Next, you'll encounter the section that provides instructions on how you can apply for Pay Later eligibility. This is crucial because eligibility determines whether you can utilize this feature now or if there are certain criteria you still need to meet. It's a good idea to carefully go through these instructions as it will give you insights into what's expected from your account to move forward. The next step is to let Alibaba show you whether your account is eligible for the Pay Later service. They'll run a quick eligibility check and let you know the result. Now, if your account meets all the necessary requirements, you should see an option to either apply now or activate Pay Later. Clicking on this will initiate the process to start enjoying the Pay Later benefits right away. Lastly, the journey to get started with Pay Later consists of just 3 simple steps that Alibaba will guide you through. These steps might include further validation or providing additional business information. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that you can easily follow through and activate the service. And there you have it. You've now learned how to turn on the Pay Later feature on Alibaba, which can be a great tool to manage cash flow for your business purchases. By spreading out your payments, you can help maintain a balanced budget without having to compromise on essential business transactions. Thanks so much for joining me today, and feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks to streamline your business operations.